All right, everybody, this is Tennessee from the film Pearl Harbor. Some music by Hans Zimmer. I'll begin by giving you a little bit of the piece. I'll play 15 seconds of it first, and then I'll show you how to do the whole thing yourself. So here's what it sounds like. This is where I'll stop. I'll begin with the left hand as usual, and then we can add the right hand in a little bit later. But before I do so, please hit that little notification bell so you're notified whenever we have new music that comes out, be it classical or film. It also lets YouTube know that you find this material worthwhile. Okay, so now here we go. We'll start with a simple C major arpeggio going up with the following fingers. 5, 2, 1. Across the thumb to 3, and then 2. Just make sure that the thumb is quite flexible when you do this, because your hand sort of floats over the thumb when you do this. Make sure that you're as comfortable, as loose as possible. Do that once and twice. With the counts, we're going to have something like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the next bar we play together, both hands, but since we're having only the first look at the left hand, we're actually going to be playing the same stuff again. See, so the left hand just repeats itself. Same rhythm, same notes, same fingering, same everything. So that's 3 bars done. Moving on. This is the same technique. You're using whatever you did in C major, just moving it up a couple notches to E minor. 5, 2, 1. Across the thumb to 3 on G. And 2 to finish. Moving on. Same thing, but on F. And the phrase finishes back on C major with a slight deviation. When you get to the last one, hold it and place a B down here with the left pinky. Okay, with counting all of that, with the intro we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, and that's 3 times. Moving on, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and back to C. 2 and 3 and 4, and so that B comes on the 4th beat. Easy enough. As long as you have a very swivelable left thumb, you should be fine. Make sure that you're using one motion to go across the keys when you do these arpeggios. Try not to break them up into this and then this, because you're going to be able to hear that, and you want everything to sound like one velvety silk movement to the right. Okay, speaking of the right, here's the right hand. Very easy. Now, as we know, we have 2 bars of just left, and the 3rd bar, same left, but the right hand comes in with 3, 2, 1. Next bar, 5, 4, 3, going about the counting for now. We'll do the counting in a moment. Next bar. Same as the previous one. 3, 2, 1. And we close the phrase with thumb moves down to E. 1, 2, 4, 5, 5. Cool. Now I'm giving you the left hand just to contextualize everything, but I'm focusing on teaching you the right. Okay. From where the hands come in, here is the counting. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So a rest on the first beat. 2, 3, and 4 all have notes. Next, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Next bar. Right hand's gonna be the same. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and nothing new. And then everything comes on all the beats. So the right hand is gonna have quarters on all the beats. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that leads us into the next bar. Beautiful. Now before we continue, let's have a look at the pedaling here. The pedaling ought to change wherever the harmony changes, and the left hand is really what tells you where the harmony changes occur. So what we have is a pedal down and keep it down for the first 3 bars. It's all C major, so it all blends beautifully. Then change. Then change. And then change. Change. Because that's transitioning into A minor. Join the crew, join the tribe, and it's free to try, so why not? I'll have the sheet music up there for direct download, the transcription of it, I've transcribed it myself, and yeah, I'll see you there. If you feel this is worth your time, subscribe on YouTube as well. Okay, I'll see you on there, and let's continue this piece. See you in the next one.